Turn around. Okay.
Don't put it on my face.
I'm not gonna put it on your face. I want your hands to be seen. Okay?
Put it on the, put it down here.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Too fast. Okay, that.
I've seen when they do it a different way.
Let me get, hold on.
This is how it works. This is how it
Wait a minute,
works.
wait a minute, wait a minute. Back it up.
This is how it works. Okay, here's some teeth right here, alright? This is the only way it can work. The only way it can work. On the inside, there's a set of teeth also, okay? This is spring loaded. Boom, you can push that down, okay? With this locked, with that pin locked, you cannot push that down. Therefore, you cannot put a piece in there. So that's why you have to knock the pin out first.
Even if it's double locked.
Even if it's double, I just knock the pin out. You have to knock the pin out, or else you can't slide it in there. It won't. If it's double locked, that's double locked. Those pins right there. See, that's a spring right there. Okay, it pushes down. If it's double locked, that won't go down. Okay, but you have to knock the pin out first in order to fit the slim in there. Okay. This box is worthless. The box is worthless. You put these boxes on it. The box is good. You don't have to waste the money. Y'all just wasted a bunch of money on this shit. I just proved that.
Thank you.